Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MAD token. Name of the token is MAD, ticker symbol is also MAD, and this token here is trending number 5 right now on DEX tools in the Solana section. Has a huge market cap, $31.11 million market cap, huge project. We're going to go over the information on the MAD token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is on the Solana blockchain. You can find this token on SolScan, DEX Tools, DexView, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Those are all going to be great places there to see the price, the chart, all the statistics and numbers on this token. They have a Telegram that you could follow at MadCoinVIP that has 15,176 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. And it is at MadCoinVIP. Blue verified checkmark, 1,154 posts. The wild degen who hustles hard and parties harder. Join the Memes After Dark Degen movement. Then they have the contract address right there on the Twitter. They just joined in May 2024. They have 23,200 Twitter followers. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that stores Solana tokens. And you could use a Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Solflare Wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol. You can fund it with Sol from a central exchange. There's a list of central exchange links in the description box. Any one of those would work. You fund your wallet with Sol. You go into the dApps. You would find Raydium or Jupiter. Now this token is available on both of those DEXs, so you could choose either one. And then using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter or on their webpage, mad.vip, you would trade your Sol for the MAD token. So it says, MAD is more than just a meme coin. He's the incarnation of the degen. MAD is you. This will become the biggest IP born as a meme coin. Even when the market sucks, MAD is cooking plans that no one has done before. MAD will make history, and you are not ready. And so that is in their pin tweet there. They have some cool memes and videos and all sorts of cool artwork all over their socials and webpage and whatnot. And yeah, on their webpage, they have links to DEX Tools, DEX Screener, all the things I mentioned, even Jupiter, all that stuff there. And then they have social links like Telegram, Twitter, but also Instagram, TikTok, frequently asked questions, tokenomics, how to buy in case you didn't understand how I explained it earlier, and then some info. So this is not a dog, this is not a cat, this is a degenerate party animal. So I'd say MAD is a wild degen beast. He's either out partying or hustling like a madman to make bank. MAD is addicted to meme coins, especially when the night falls. Now, it says crypto is a vibe. It's either boring tech stuff or wild degen stuff that makes your heart race. Memes After Dark is a massive degen movement gathering the biggest meme coin communities in the same ecosystem. It's all about chasing those ridiculous gains while having a blast and making friends along the way. Let's get mad together. So they have a roadmap here, and it goes in a circle of basically get mad tokens, the Gen's wildest parties, have a hangover, grind mode, and then get mad again. And they have the how to buy. They even have an embedded swap right on their webpage. You could just use that if you want to, connect your wallet there. They have the tokenomics on here. So it says 0% buy and sell taxes. So if you do buy or sell this token from Raydium or Jupiter, you will not have to set slippage. They have a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. It says liquidity burned and ownership renounced. And we're going to check that in a second to make sure that's legit. It says join the mad movement, join the meme club, and let's have fun while making bank, and follow us on our updates, or follow us for updates so juicy you might get a buzz. So they have frequently asked questions. What chain is this on? Solana, we already talked about that. What's the contract address? Will MAD be listed on exchanges? So it says top tier central exchanges eventually. What is the vision of MAD? And yeah, etc., etc., etc. I'm not sure if it is on central exchanges yet. Now, how you can verify that, there is a section, or how you could check that, I mean, there is a section on CoinMarketCap that has central exchange listings on there, so I'll pull that up here and have a look at that in a second. Now, yeah, their market cap is $31.14 million right now, doing very well. They have 6,055 holders, 6 decimal places on this token here. And yeah, it says it's up 7.6% in the past day, according to CoinMarketCap. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see the max supply. It's a little bit under $1 trillion right now. It looks like it's a deflationary token. So you can find the contract address also on all those sites I named, like CoinMarketCap. So you just scroll down and you're going to find where it says markets. If this will ever load, is slowest loading thing ever here. While it's loading though, oh there it is, Mad Markets. So you just click on central exchanges. You can check spot, perpetuals, futures. So you can get it off other dexes. It says like Meteora. So on Raydium, Jupiter, Meteora. I don't see any central exchange listings here. Let me click on that just to make sure. No, so no central exchanges yet. Maybe those will be coming in the future. It just moved up a spot on Dex Tools, trending number 4 right now. Wow, it says they have 7,500 holders, so their Soul Scan's a little bit behind. So they've got more holders in the past little while. And they have over 2,000 pooled Soul in Raydium, which is equivalent to almost 13 billion pooled MAD tokens. They have 99 out of 99 DEX score, 100% community trust score out of 27 votes. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens. Transfers are not, what does it say here? It says no other risks, and tax is not modifiable. So that's just a quick audit though. So always look out for full audits. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.